Afternoon, guys. Good afternoon. Is it evening? Yeah, it's afternoon. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. How are you? Okay. So here we come. Just to check on those people who are preparing for their exams. You know how it is done. I'm just checking on you. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Paxina, how are you, Paxina? Paxina, where are you from? I want to give you something for being the first one to comment. So Paxina, tell me, where are you from? Simata, Paxina Smata, tell me, where are you from? Good afternoon, guys. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Paxina, where are you from? Talk to me. From Livingston. What grade are you? I want to give you something for being the first one to comment on this live broadcast. What grade are you? I'm reading your comments. David from Ndola, Faith. Good afternoon. How are you? Win, how are you? I'm good. I'm good. Natasha, I'm okay. Francis, I'm okay. Okay. Patricia from Solwezi, how are you? Watson, GCE. Oh, people are doing GCE. A number of you are doing GCE. All right, guys. So let's just talk about the most important things that you must do looking at the period, the time that is remaining from now up to the time that you'll be writing your exams. Mostly, I see a number of people failing mathematics. So I would like to just share with you some simple tricks and some of the things that you need to focus on for you to make it in this year's GCE exam. Okay. Be it internal or GCE, it's okay. So just consider what I'll talk about to be important for both internals and GCE. Okay. So it's for 2025. Um, Guys, if you get your paper two, I think I've been talking about this in mathematics. Paper two is what makes you pass an exam. So if you're that person who has been failing, listen to this very carefully. Paper two is what will make you pass an exam. The reason is very simple. Paper two will give you about 100 marks if you've checked the paper. While paper one, it will give you it will give you 80 marks. And paper two is very simple to understand compared to paper one. Okay? Paper one, the marks are very small per question, and the coverage, there is a lot of things that you need to know in paper one. But for paper two, you can just pick specific things. For example, there is what we call linear programming. I talk about linear programming. Linear programming, you just have to know it. And for linear programming, guys, it's a very simple topic. It's a very simple topic. It's not something that you can be struggling with. There are only two signs that you need to know for linear programming: greater or equal to, less or equal to. Just two signs, guys. When they say at least, just know that it's greater or equal to. When they say at most, it's less or equal to. So it's very simple to understand linear programming. It shouldn't be giving you difficulties. Linear programming, consider that 12 marks to be yours. Take that 12 marks for linear programming. So from linear programming, you go to cubic functions, guys. Cubic functions. Guys, cubic functions is very simple. It's very simple. All what you need to know there is to just graph. How do you plot this and that? They are very simple. And the way of asking exam questions on linear programming, cubic function, it's the same. If you just get one paper, you understand on how to answer one paper, these two topics, you are good to go. Linear programming, cubic function, and statistics. Statistics is just the same, guys. So how many marks? You get 12 marks in linear programming, 12 marks statistics, 12 marks cubic function. Okay, so where are we? We are at 30 what? We're at 36, okay? So 36. You've gotten 36. Again, you go to construction, guys. Construction is very simple. Construction is the same. So construction will give you about 8 marks. So get that 8 marks plus 36, you are now at 44. You see the way you're passing, you're at 44 marks. That's paper 2. Paper 2, you now go to some sets. Sets are very simple. They'll give you the total number of marks about 5 marks, okay? You get about 5 marks, which will take you to 49. 49, you're at 49. Are you counting? From sets, just the Venn diagram there. Know how to not shading, but how to come up with a Venn diagram, how to list sets. That's sets. You get about 5 marks. From there, you try to do some GP, geometric progression. I hope you're writing this. Geometric progression will also give you about 5 marks. You're at 54. 54 there, you now go to trigonometry. There is sine rule and cosine rule. They're just two things, sine rule and cosine rule. So this will just give you the first question will give you about 5 marks. Just to find an angle or the side, it will give you about 5 marks. From there, area will give you about 2 marks. Shortest distance will give you about 2 marks, and the simplification there about 2 marks, you get 65. You see, guys, you